sharing my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Divya Jain from the Department of Botany, ST College, Ambala Kent. Thank you for joining our webinar this afternoon on boosting health and immunity. You see, we all wish for good health and immunity. And in the present time, with the second wave of COVID-19, it is very important to know how to strengthen our immune system and be healthy. You see, our immune system is a natural gift and protects us from disease-causing germs, but sometimes it does get compromised and fails to protect us. The question is it possible to intervene in this process and boost our immune system? The market these days is flooded with pills, teas, and herbal products, all claiming to boost the health of our immune system. You see, recently in my town, a company is selling eggs at a very high price, claiming that these contain immunity boosters as the poultry birds are being fed on tulsi and ashwagandha. Now the question is, do we really need these products, or can our food choices or lifestyle help us to lead a healthy and disease-free life? Scientific evidence, I have been reading through the articles. The scientific evidence, it suggests that yes, food and active lifestyle have an important role in boosting health and immunity. In fact, there is a famous quote by Hippocrates, a great physician who is also known as father of medicine, that let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. Dear participants, today it's a privilege to have with us Ms. Chavi Goel, a senior nutritionist with Team Rujuta Devekar as our resource person. I have been following Rujuta and her team for several years on Instagram and Facebook, as well as I keep reading their books and blogs also. They are India's leading nutritionists and strongly recommend that traditional and local food cooked with your grandma's recipe is not only tasty, but densely packed with nutrition. We just need to go back to our roots and rediscover these traditional foods. Thank you, Chavi, for taking time out of your busy schedule and be with us to educate our students on health and immunity. On behalf of ST College, I extend a very warm welcome to you. Dear participants, I am honored to introduce today's esteemed speaker, Ms. Chavi Goel. As I told you earlier, Chavi is a senior nutritionist with Team Rujuta. She holds a master's degree in nutrition science from SNDT University, Mumbai. She has an extensive experience of planning meals and diet counseling for people of all age groups and different fields of life, dealing with disorders like diabetes, heart problems, PCOD, thyroid, and several others. Chavi Madam, it's indeed a pleasure to have you on this platform. Apart from her professional and academic achievements, dear participants, I have found Chavi to be a very warm and friendly person, sincerely committed to her work. In spite of being so busy, she was in constant touch with me and made it a point to clarify that who would be her target audience and in which language they would feel comfortable to interact. Thank you, Chavi, for that. And participants, this is an interactive session. Please type your questions in the message box, and these would be addressed by the resource person at the end of our talk. And without any further delay, now I invite Madam Chavi to conduct her session. Madam Chavi.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Divya ma'am. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome. And I feel so excited and honored to be a part of this session. Rujita also sends across her love and regards to all of you. And with this, we will begin with our interaction. So today we are gathered here to talk about how to boost our immunity and health. So getting straight to the topic, Health is wealth is something that we have always known. By now, in this in this pandemic situation, हम इतना तो definitely जान चुके हैं, समझ चुके हैं that nothing is more important than our immunity. No amount of weight loss, no amount of good looks, no amount of money can bring us health. Health को build करने के लिए what we really need is simple lifestyle and basic eating habits. So for that, today I'm going to be talking to you about a few points related to diet and lifestyle जो कि आप adopt कर सकते हैं to build your health and immunity. But before we move on to that, let's talk a little bit about weight. हम ये काफी सुनते हैं, it's a very very common myth कि health improve करने के लिए weight loss करना चाहिए. Weight loss करने से health बढ़ती है. But to tell you the truth, that weighing scale or body weight is not an indicator of how fat or how fit you are. Weighing scale वो सिर्फ हमें एक number दिखाता है. It tells us nothing about our internal health. And often what happens is हम उस number को सीधा हमारे body fat से connect करते हैं. But let me explain to you a little bit about weight. So weight is made up of two components. There is fat mass and there is lean body mass. Fat mass मतलब जो हमारे body fat होता है. Lean body mass मतलब जो हमारे body के bones, organs, muscles रहते हैं. All of that except for fat makes up for the lean body mass. तो क्या होता है कि जैसे जैसे हमारे body में ये lean body mass बढ़ता है, वैसे वैसे हमारी हेल्थ बढ़ती है, हमारी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ती है और वैसे वैसे फैट भी घटता है. लेकिन वेइंग स्केल हमें ये न्यूज़ नहीं देता है. इट डजंट कैप्चर दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. वेइंग स्केल क्या करता है? सिर्फ एक नंबर दिखाता है. इट टेल्स अस नथिंग अबाउट आवर इंटरनल हेल्थ. सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, please stop checking the weighing scale. It will tell you nothing about your health. So if not weighing scale, how do we come to know about our health? हम कैसे जाने कि हम healthy और fit और हो रहे हैं? Through certain metabolic health parameters. Metabolic health parameters जैसे कि आपकी energy levels कैसी हैं? Are you energetic through the day? आपकी sleep की quality कैसी है? क्या आप अच्छे से सो पाते हैं और सुबह उठ के fresh feel करते हैं? आपका digestion कैसा है? Do you get any acidity, bloating or indigestion? क्या आपको sweet खाने का मन करता है after your lunch and dinner? आपकी exercise regularity कैसी है? Do you maintain a regular exercise routine? And lastly, this is particularly for females, कि आपकी periods कैसे हैं? Do you get them regularly and normally, or do you get painful, irregular periods? So ये हमारे 6 मेटाबॉलिक हेल्थ पैरामीटर्स हैं. एंड अगर आप इन 6 मेटाबॉलिक हेल्थ पैरामीटर्स पे इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब आपकी हेल्थ और आपकी इम्यूनिटी दोनों बिल्डअप हो रही है, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ आपका क्या वेट है. So the next time you want to check about your health, check yourself on all of these 6 health parameters. So my pointers today will include things that will help you improve upon your health and boost immunity. So before we get on to these pointers, I want to tell you a little bit about immunity also. Immunity एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमारे साथ हम by birth है. We are born with it. The fact that we are still alive is because of immunity. क्योंकि हमारे body में immunity है, इसीलिए हम most of the infections, most of the diseases fight कर पाते हैं और इसीलिए आज हम जिंदा हैं. Immunity दो तरह की होती है. एक, one is innate immunity, which is something that we are born with. Innate immunity instant होती है. So जैसे for example हम cough करते हैं, हम छींकते हैं, जब हमें कुछ allergic reaction होता है तो हमारे body पे rashes हो जाते हैं. ये तरह के जो reactions होते हैं वो सब innate immunity की वजह से होते हैं. और ये इनेट इम्यूनिटी हमारे बॉडी में लाइफ लॉन्ग रहती है, फ्रॉम बर्थ टू डेथ. द सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ इम्यूनिटी इज कॉल्ड अक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी. अक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी मतलब कि जो इम्यूनिटी हम अक्वायर करते हैं व्हेन वी get exposed to certain pathogens. So to give you an example, anything, smallpox for example, अगर हम उस वायरस से या उस पैथोजन से इनकाउंटर करते हैं तो हमारे बॉडी में कुछ ऐसे फाइटर सेल्स, कुछ ऐसे एंटीबॉडीज डेवलप होते हैं जो कि हमें इस फ्यूचर इन्फेक्शन से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. इसे हम कहते हैं अक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी. सो इन दोनों इम्यूनिटी को बनाए रखने के लिए वी जस्ट नीड डिसिप्लिन एंड commonsensical lifestyle habits. With discipline and commonsensical lifestyle habits, we are able to maintain and boost our immunity. So that brings me to our 4 pointers that will help build immunity and overall health. Sorry, excuse me. All right. So the first pointer is follow the basic rules of eating right. Now, eating right के 4 basic rules हैं. First rule, start your day with a handful of overnight soaked raisins or a fresh fruit. फ्रेश फ्रूट से क्या होगा कि आपको इमीडिएट एनर्जी मिलेगी सो दैट आप पूरे दिन एनर्जेटिक रहें. सोक्ड रेजिन्स स्पेसिफिकली इम्यूनिटी के लिए अच्छा है. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट योर डे विद एनी ऑफ दीज टू थिंग्स. Surely do not start your day with a stimulant like chai or coffee. So that's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is eat a freshly prepared homemade nashta for breakfast. कुछ भी हो सकता है, पराठा, चिल्ला, पोहा, इडली, पूरी सब्जी, जो आपको पसंद हो और जो आपके कल्चर और ट्रेडिशन को बिलोंग करता है, वो ब्रेकफास्ट खाइए. होलसम ब्रेकफास्ट और फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर्ड ब्रेकफास्ट का फायदा क्या होता है कि इट गिव्स यू ऑल द राइट न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू मेंटेन हेल्थ एंड इम्यूनिटी. श्योरली अवॉइड ऑल द पैकेज्ड ब्रेकफास्ट सीरियल्स जैसे कि ओट्स, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स. इनमें कोई न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं रहते हैं. इनफैक्ट इसमें कई सारे आर्टिफिशियल मॉलिक्यूल्स रहते हैं जैसे कि प्रिजर्वेटिव्स, फ्लेवरिंग एजेंट्स एक्सेट्रा, जो कि हमारे हेल्थ और इम्यूनिटी दोनों को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं. सो अवॉइड पैकेज सीरियल्स एंड ईट अ फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर्ड ब्रेकफास्ट. थर्ड रूल, आपके मेन मील्स के बीच में बहुत बहुत लंबा गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. सो अवॉइड लॉन्ग मील गैप्स बिटवीन योर मील्स. How do we do that? By planning a mid-meal between your breakfast, lunch and dinner each. So आपके breakfast और lunch के बीच में आप कोई शरबत ले सकते हैं जैसे कि नींबू शरबत, बेल शरबत, नारियल पानी, आम का पन्ना, या फिर आप कोई सीजनल फ्रूट ले सकते हैं. In fact, fruits are very, very good because they are a powerhouse of all the important nutrients that are required for immunity and overall health. आप जितना हाइपर लोकल फ्रूट खाएंगे उतना आपको ज्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलेगा. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इस सीजन में आपको कई सारे हाइपर लोकल फ्रूट्स मिलेंगे जैसे कि जामुन, फालसा, शहतूत, बेल, यू कैन इवन डू बनाना, मैंगो एक्सेट्रा. So either a sharbat or a fruit between your breakfast and lunch. Between lunch and dinner, plan another meal. Now this meal is a very important meal and it needs to be a wholesome meal. तो इसमें आप there are many options. आप लड्डू कर सकते हैं, आप रोटी घी गुड़ कर सकते हैं, आप होममेड मुरमुरा कर सकते हैं, घी रोस्टेड मखाने, सैंडविच, any of these options. You can even repeat your breakfast option like chilla or upma, poha at this time. इस मील का इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि आप अगर ये मील होलसम खाते हैं तो आपको आपका डिनर लाइट रहता है, आपको नींद अच्छी आती है, आप सुबह फ्रेश उठते हैं. दिस टाइम ऑफ द डे इज ऑल्सो द टाइम व्हेन वी आर मैक्सिमम हंग्री. अगर हम प्लान नहीं करेंगे तो हम जनरली इस टाइम पे कुछ ना कुछ junk खाएंगे. It could be anything, samosa, bhajia, pakode, biscuits, etc. So plan this meal in advance and have something wholesome so that you do not end up having anything junk. The last rule is finish your dinner about 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. एंड प्रेफरेबली डिनर में राइस बेस्ड रखिए, जैसे कि दाल चावल, दही चावल, खिचड़ी, कड़ी चावल, पुलाव एक्सेट्रा. राइस का क्या फायदा है कि राइस बहुत इजी होता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ डाइजेशन. आप लाइट फील करेंगे, आपका स्टमक लाइट रहेगा, आपको नींद अच्छी आएगी और आप सुबह अगेन यू विल बी एबल टू वेक अप फ्रेश. इनफैक्ट दही चावल और खिचड़ी तो मोस्ट थेरेप्यूटिक, मोस्ट बेनिफिशियल डिनर्स है, because it's a very very intelligent combination of prebiotic and probiotic. It forms a complete meal in terms of all the essential amino acids. तो आपको स्ट्रेंथ में, रिकवरी में, इम्यूनिटी में बहुत मदद करेगा. So eat your dinner 2-3 hours before bedtime and preferably do a rice based dinner. In case you are awake till late, अगर आप कुछ भी रीजन से देर तक जग रहे हैं और अगर आपको भूख लगती है, so some of the options that you can have are milk, cashews, banana, mango, cheese, homemade laddu. Any of these options will do. In fact, haldi milk तो काफी वेल नोन एज ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल थेरेप्यूटिक ड्रिंक है फॉर इम्यूनिटी. हम जब बीमार होते हैं, हमारी नानी माँ, दादी माँ हमें हल्दी वाला दूध पीने को कहती है. सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट वे ऑफ एंडिंग योर डे. So these are the 4 rules of eating right. The second point is avoid any packaged and processed food. आप जितना फ्रेश खाएंगे, आपको उतना ही ज्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलेगा. पैकेज फूड का कैसा है ना कि जो फूड इंडस्ट्री है वो हमें बार बार यही बताने की, ब्रेन वॉश करने की कोशिश करती है कि आप जितना ज्यादा उनका पैकेज्ड फूड खाएंगे उतना अच्छा आपके लिए और उतना बेटर है आपके हेल्थ के लिए. और आपका और उनका खाना इज मच बेटर देन हमारे किचन से बनाया हुआ फ्रेश खाना. सो द ट्रूथ इज कि पैकेज्ड फूड में बिल्कुल न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं रहते हैं. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी उसमें कई सारे आर्टिफिशियल डिजाइनर मॉलिक्यूल्स रहते हैं, जैसे कि केमिकल्स है, प्रेजर्वेटिव्स है, फ्लेवरिंग एजेंट्स है, टेस्ट एनहांसर्स, certain artificial molecules to maintain its shelf life, acidity regulators. ये सब डिजाइनर मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं जो कि आर्टिफिशियल है. दे आर नॉट रियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स. So avoid packaged and processed food as far as possible and eat fresh. Now, packaged food में भी 2 तरह के packaged foods रहते हैं. एक जो कि obvious junk है, कि जैसे for ये तो हम सब जानते हैं कि ये हेल्थ के लिए खराब है. But the second category is called जो फूड प्रोडक्ट्स पैकेज्ड हैं पर अपने आप को हेल्दी कहला के बताते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हाई फाइबर बिस्किट्स, ओट्स, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स, फ्रूट जूसेस, जो हम फ्लेवर्ड पाउडर्स मिक्स करते हैं हमारे दूध में, सूप्स एक्सेट्रा. These are all camouflage junk. They look healthy, they are perceived healthy, but they are actually as bad as all other junk food. So avoid junk food and eat fresh. वहीं से आपको आपके real nutrients, real health मिलेगी. So that was point number 2. Point number 3 is about sleep. Sleep well for good immunity. Now see, sleep is a very very important factor for building immunity. जब जब हम बीमार पड़ते हैं, हम सबसे ज्यादा लेने से रिकवरी अच्छी होती है. सो इसलिए having a good sleep quality is very very important for immunity. And anything that comes in the way of good sleep quality will definitely bring down your immunity. So कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हमारी स्लीप क्वालिटी को पुअर बनाती है. वन फर्स्ट थिंग इज गैजेट यूज. तो आप जितना लेट तक गैजेट यूज करेंगे उतना ज्यादा आपकी स्लीप क्वालिटी ड्रॉप होगी, क्योंकि गैजेट्स हमारे ब्रेन को, हमारे बॉडी को एक्टिवेट करते हैं और वो हमें प्रॉपर नींद से प्रिवेंट करते हैं. सो आइडियली गो गैजेट फ्री फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 hour बिफोर योर बेड टाइम. द सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम इज स्टिम्युलेंट्स, जैसे कि चाय और कॉफी. अवॉइड टेकिंग देम आफ्टर 5 o'clock. स्टिम्युलेंट्स भी हमारी बॉडी को स्टिम्युलेट करते हैं, अलर्ट बनाते हैं और हमारी नींद भगाते हैं. सो कीप ऑल द स्टिम्युलेंट्स, कीप ऑल योर चाय एंड कॉफी बिफोर 5 o'clock. Some other things that you can do to enhance your sleep quality is one, fix a wake up time at bedtime. टाइम से सोइए, टाइम से उठिए. जब एक फिक्स साइकिल रहता है तो बॉडी को अच्छी नींद मिलती है और हम सुबह फ्रेश उठते हैं. Let your bedtime not be very late. Ideally keep it to before midnight. So 11:30. This is an ideally good time to go to sleep. And the second thing is, सोने से पहले अपने पैरों पर घी का मसाज करिए. Rub the soles of your feet with ghee before sleeping. इससे भी अच्छी नींद आती है. So that's about sleep. Go gadget free for the last 1 hour. Avoid any stimulants post 5 o'clock. Fix a wake up time and bedtime and stick to it for most days of the week. And lastly, rub the soles of your feet with ghee before sleeping. My last point is about activity and exercise. सो एक्टिव रहना बहुत जरूरी है. एक्टिव रहने से हमारी इम्यूनिटी बनी रहती है, हमारी ओवरऑल फिटनेस बनी रहती है. हम जितना ज्यादा बैठेंगे, जितना ज्यादा इनएक्टिव रहेंगे, उतना ज्यादा हमारी बॉडी के लिए हार्मफुल है. सो वी हैव टू ब्रेक दिस लॉन्ग आवर्स ऑफ सिटिंग एंड बी मोर एक्टिव. नाउ हाउ कैन यू इंक्लूड मोर एक्टिविटी इन योर डे? सो थ्री सिंपल वेज. पहला, आपके ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चलते रहेंगे. सो आफ्टर एवरी क्लास स्टैंड, स्ट्रेच और वॉक फॉर 3 minutes. हर क्लास के बाद एक छोटा ब्रेक लीजिए. स्टैंड अप फ्रॉम योर चेयर, वॉक अराउंड और स्ट्रेच अ लिटिल. दैट्स वन वे. सेकेंड, रोज कम से कम एक हाउस होल्ड कोर करिए. It could be anything. It could be as simple as arranging your study desk, arranging your cupboard, clearing up your room. But every day, minimum एक household core में contribute करिए. And the third way is mindfully find more opportunities to be more active. Like for example, lift लेने की जगह सीढ़ियों से चढ़िए. कोई छोटा डिस्टेंस है तो instead of taking a vehicle, you walk it up. So that way, the more you are on your feet, the more you are active, the more fit and strong you stay. Now, along with activity, it is also very important that we exercise. And ideally, 30 minutes of exercise daily is a good frequency, a good duration. Now, exercise और activity में क्या difference है? Exercise is basically a more challenging activity. So, for example, strength training, yoga, running, it could be a sport. आप इनमें से कोई भी चीज कर सकते हैं, बट मेक श्योर कि आप दिन का 30 मिनट्स कम से कम एक्सरसाइज के लिए निकालिए. आप चाहें तो आप रुजुता का सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म रेफर कर सकते हैं. उन्होंने काफी सारी एक्सरसाइजेस और योगा आसन्स, home to do home exercises and yoga asanas she has shown on her social media, so you can refer to that. But ensure that exercise is a non-negotiable part of your lifestyle. Now, an important thing about exercise, अगर आप बीमार हैं या अगर आपको weak feel हो रहा है, if you're a little under the weather, then this is not a good time to start with exercise. Because क्या है ना कि exercise, of course, it has an immunity boosting effect in the long run, पर इमीडिएटली आफ्टर एक्सरसाइज हमारा इम्यूनिटी थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड रहता है. सो अगर आप जरा सा भी अनवेल फील कर रहे हैं, वीक फील कर रहे हैं, सो उस दिन पर आप एक्सरसाइज मत करिए. Wait for yourself to recover and come back to your energy levels, and then you can start off with exercise. So that was my last point about activity and exercise. Just to quickly summarize all the pointers, first things first, के अपना अपने overall daily diet में follow the basic principles of eating right, which is के start your day with a fresh fruit or overnight soaked raisins. Second, have a hot, freshly prepared homemade breakfast. Third, avoid long meal gaps between your main meals. Include a mid meal between your breakfast, lunch, and dinner each. And fourth rule, finish your dinner about 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. The second point is avoid packaged and processed food. Eat more freshly prepared food. The third point is maintain a good sleep routine by ensuring that there are no gadgets happening in the last 1 hour. Avoid any stimulants like chai and coffee after 5 o'clock. Fix a wake up time and bedtime. And fourthly, rub the soles of your feet with ghee before sleeping. And my last point is about stay active and work at building a regular exercise regime. Thank you so much. You've been a wonderful audience. अगर आपको कोई questions है, so we can take them up now.
Thank you, Chavi. That was a very informative talk, and especially about you busted myths about packed cereals. And usually, you say we think that having cornflakes in the morning or oats in the morning are healthy rather than having paratha or anything else. So that was really very good information. And the most that I liked that was having rice as dinner. सो यूजली ये होता है कि हम लोग सोचते हैं कि रात को राइस नहीं खाना चाहिए. So thank you for that. And I have so many questions in the chat box also. So
Please.
the first question is from Yugender Kapoor, and he wants to know how to reduce consumption of tea. I used to take 2 to 3 times in a day. So is there any way he can reduce the consumption of tea?
Okay, all right. About tea, see, up to 3 times in a day is perfectly all right. लेकिन टी के बारे में हमें 3 मेन चीज ध्यान रखनी है. एक तो it shouldn't be the first thing you're having upon waking. You can have your fruit or raisins, and after that you can have your tea. दूसरी चीज, do not have it in replacement to a meal. अपना खाना खाइए, अपना मील खाइए, और उसके बाद आप चाय पी सकते हैं. And the third thing, do not have it after 5 o'clock. So as long as you're following these 3 rules and ensuring that your tea consumption is not more than 3 times in the day, you're perfectly well taking your tea.
Okay, thank you, Chavi. I hope that answers his question. Then there's another question from Dipakshi. She wants to know, can you suggest some remedies for high blood pressure?
For high blood pressure, okay. So Dipakshi, ये जितने भी मैंने rules आज discuss किए हैं about the fundamental rules of eating right, आप ये follow करेंगे तो आपका definitely BP regulate होगा. That's point number 1. Second thing, sleep and exercise is a very important factor towards BP. आपका अगर sleeping pattern irregular है या late है, तो वो आपका BP जरूर fluctuate करेगा. So sleep well, sleep on time so that your BP remains regulated. And exercise acts as a hypotensive thing to the body. So आप exercise करेंगे, आपका BP control में रहेगा, properly regulate होगा. So ensure that you're following the 4 basic rules of eating right, exercise regularly, and sleep on time.
Okay. This another question from Preksha. She wants to know remedies for PCOD.
Remedies for PCOD. All right. Okay. So for PCOD, first things, you start your day with overnight soaked raisins and kesar. Second thing, include कंद वेजिटेबल्स इन योर डाइट, तो जैसे कि शकरकंद, जिमीकंद, शलगम, potato, sweet potato, yam, all of these foods include in your diet. The third thing is जितने भी व्रत के खाने होते हैं, like for example कुट्टू, सामो, साबूदाना, इन सब से भी पीसीओडी रिवर्स होता है. So include those things in your diet. If you follow these three pointers, you will have better periods and will be able to reverse PCOD.
Okay. The next question is from Nidhi Verma. She wants to know about the weight gain diet. She
Weight
wants to gain
gain.
weight.
All right,
Yeah.
I like that. Okay. So see, it's for the weight gain, it's the same thing like weight loss. Okay, number does not define how strong or how good looking you are. So first of all, stop weighing yourself on the weighing scale, because that number is not going to give you any right information. What is most important is कि आप lean body mass gain करें. Lean body mass मतलब muscles और bone mineral density. As long as आप muscles and bone mineral density gain करेंगे, you will look good, you will gain the right amount of weight on your body, and you will stay strong and healthy through your life. And for that, what we need to do is follow the 4 rules of eating right, ensure that you are exercising. In exercise, particularly strength training, helps a lot with the lean body mass gain. So you can read Rujita's book, Don't Lose Out Workout. There is a specific chapter on strength training. You can read that and follow strength training. And third and most important, sleep. So in sleep, it is very important to sleep early. क्या होता है ना कि हमारे स्लीप के टाइम पर एक हार्मोन है कॉल्ड द ग्रोथ हार्मोन, जो which is most active during our sleeping hours. Now this growth hormone, it works best in the window of 9:30 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. तो आप जितना क्लोज टू 9:30 सोएंगे, उतना ही आप अपने ग्रोथ हार्मोन को ऑप्टिमाइज कर पाएंगे. और ये ग्रोथ हार्मोन फिर आपको आपके मसल बिल्डिंग, आपके बोन मिनरल डेंसिटी बिल्डिंग में मदद करेगा. सो फॉलो द फंडामेंटल रूल्स ऑफ ईटिंग राइट, exercise, particularly strength training, and sleep early.
Okay. There's another question from Shika Oberoi. She wants to know, can we have banana at bedtime?
Yes, Shika, you can have banana at bedtime.
Okay. Then from Kamal Preet, there's another question. If out of the 6 parameters, how to combat the only issue, low to moderate energy levels?
Okay, all right. Yes. So, हमारे एनर्जी लेवल्स कब डिप होते हैं? जब हमारे बॉडी में इनफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं रहते हैं. Now, to provide the body with sufficient nutrients, we must eat in a timely manner. So, subha apna din start with a fresh fruit that will give you a boost of energy. Ensure that you're not doing anything packaged for your breakfast. कुछ गरम घर का बना हुआ fresh नाश्ता खाइए. Make sure that you're having the mid meals. 3 घंटे से ज्यादा का meal gap नहीं होना चाहिए. So do the mid meals to give you a timely energy, timely fuel. And ensure that you are having the special wholesome meal between 4 to 6 p.m. meal. अगर ये meal आप miss कर देंगे तो आपका energy levels dip होने लगेगा. So 4 to 6 p.m. meal अपना जरूर खाइए, और उस टाइम पे eat something wholesome like a laddu, like a fruit, like a milkshake, poha, upma, matri, makhane. Any of these options is good, but eat your 4 to 6 p.m.
Okay. Chavi, there's another question from Dipakshi. She wants to discuss about high prolactin levels.
High prolactin levels, all right. So, sorry, Divya ma'am, this is the last question that I'll be taking.
Okay, can you take
right.
one more question? Just one more, if it's possible for you.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
All right. So about prolactin levels. So prolactin levels being high is also the little bit of hormonal imbalance. So all the pointers that I discussed for PCOD, which is start your day with soaked raisins and kesar, eat kand vegetables, and include all vrat ka khana like sabudana, kuttu, rajgira, samo, etc. That will help you with your prolactin levels.
Okay, thank you so much. This last question, that is daily consumption of healthy milk leads to ulcers in my mouth. And that's my question as well. Can we consume this healthy milk daily?
Yes, yes, you can consume haldi milk daily. See, the thing about these spices is that they need to be taken in the time-tested traditional amounts, proportions. Okay, so for example, when you take haldi milk, तो हम generally एक pinch haldi डालते हैं दूध में. If you're putting it in this amount, then it will actually help you with your immunity. When you overdo these amounts, is when you end up having things like ulcers. So overdoing of the amounts is not going to get you benefits any faster. But having it consistently is what is going to help build your immunity. So have the haldi milk, but make sure that it is not more than 1 pinch of haldi.
Okay, thank you so much, Chavi. There's so many questions, but what I would suggest, let them follow your Instagram handle as well as Rajita, so they would probably get their answers from there, and they might read the books, some of them that your team has written. And
Yes.
yeah, please, thank you so much. And now I hand over to Madam Chavi Kiran from our college to present a vote of thanks. Over to you, Chavi.
Thank you so much, Divya ma'am. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, Chavi, you are audible.
Thank you so much, Chavi Goyal ma'am, for such an elaborative discussion on boosting immunity and health. Certainly, there were so many myths that actually have surrounded us regarding the eating habits and how we can boost our immunity. So actually, you have helped us to, answer all those questions and queries that we had. So thank you for the time that you took for us and to equip us with very quick tips for a daily healthy routine. And I believe that we all can benefit a lot from all the methods and quick methods that you have suggested for adopting a healthy lifestyle. So now actually
Thank
we're moving towards the last segment of this webinar and this interactive talk. So it's actually my privilege to have been asked to propose a formal vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of Sanatan College and the entire organizing team of this webinar, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Chavi ma'am for gracing your important work and sharing your valuable experience and opinions today. We all are inspired by your great words. And finally, I would also like to take this opportunity to place on record a hearty thanks to our Honorable Principal, Sir, Dr. Rajendra Singh, our dynamic leader, for the perfect support and guidance that he has extended, beginning with the planning of this event till the execution of this session. And without his support, certainly these events would not be possible. Well, dear students and all our fellow colleagues, an event like this cannot actually happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago, and Divya ma'am has been in constant touch with Chavi Goyal ma'am for organizing this event, and it actually requires planning and a bird's eye for details, which have been executed. And we are very fortunate to have such a compassionate team and motivated team working towards the success of such events. Once again, I want to state that we are all most grateful to Chavi Goyal ma'am on this stage. We thank you for being with us this afternoon. It has been a great pleasure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Divya ma'am, and all the other teachers for having me here. And it was really wonderful interacting with everyone. The questions were great. The audience was great. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Chavi. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So participants, you can leave the meeting. Chavi, can we end the meeting?